Hello friends, today I will discuss about impact of power measurement circuit on phase sequence changes in voltage input in measurement circuit. Before going through this video, you can also watch my other videos on practical implication in daily life in substation and protection oriented videos. The phasor diagram for three-phase circuit has been shown in this diagram. Here VA, VB and VC are the three-phase balance voltage as shown in this diagram for red, yellow and blue phase respectively. And IA, IB and IC are the red, yellow and blue phase current respectively, and phase angle is phi. Therefore, the power at red phase is equal to VA into IA into cosine of angle between current and voltage phasor, that is cos phi. That is PA is equal to VA into IA into cos phi. Similarly, PB, that is for yellow phase power is equal to BB into IB into cos phi, and PC equal to BC into IC into cos phi. For three-phase balanced system, VA is equal to VB is equal to VC is equal to V, and for balanced current, VA IA is equal to IB is equal to IC equal to I. Therefore, total three-phase power equal to comes as P equal to sum of three phases power, that is equal to VA into IA into cos phi for red phase plus VB IB into cos phi and VC plus IB into cos phi, that is come equal to 3 into VI cos phi. This is the three phase power for three phase balance system. Now three phase wattmeter circuit has been shown in this diagram. Here exists current input for CTs and potential transformer input for PTs. PTs input are red, yellow and blue and neutral respectively as shown in the right side of the diagram. That is PT secondary should be put for red phase would be in the red phase in the wattmeter. For yellow phase PT secondary should be put in the yellow phase, and for blue phase it should be put in the blue phase in the wattmeter circuit, and for neutral should be put in the neutral in the wattmeter circuit as shown in this diagram. Similarly, the red phase current input and output terminal and yellow phase current input and output terminal and blue phase current input and blue phase current output terminal has been shown in this diagram. Phase sequence for voltage input should be correct as in the system, that is red, yellow and blue, and for CT's input should be with correct polarity, that is current should be enter in the input terminal and should out in the output terminal for red, yellow and blue phase respectively. Otherwise polarity for CT will be reversed and there will be error in the measurement of power. Now in the power measurement circuit, the phase sequence of PT input has been changed due to wrong connection. That is mainly happen between red and blue phase. That is red phase PT input is taken to the in the blue phase input in the wattmeter circuit, and blue phase PT input is taken to the red phase in the wattmeter circuit. Now we'll see what is the output for measurement circuit. Now phasor diagram for as per phase sequence in the measuring of wattmeter circuit has been shown in this diagram. Now for red phase power it is nothing but voltage into current and cosine of angle between voltage and current. Now the angle is phi for red phase for power factor angle, and now it is blue phase voltage for red phase measuring circuit, and that is blue phase voltage is equal to B at an angle of 120 or B at an angle of minus 240 degree. Therefore, the measuring for red phase power is equal to Pi cosine of 120 plus phi, and for Pb it is Vi cosine of phi, and for Vc it is PT input is red phase, that is voltage input red phase and current input for blue phase. It is nothing but Bi cosine of 120 minus phi. Therefore, three phase power comes as P equal to Pa plus Pb plus Pc, that is Vi cosine of 120 plus phi plus Bi cosine of phi plus Bi cosine of 120 minus phi. Now, if I sum up the first and third term, which comes as cosine of A plus B equal to cosine of A plus cosine of B equal to 2 into cosine of A plus B by 2 into cosine of A minus B by 2. Now, if I sum up first and third term, which comes as 2 into Vi cosine of 120 degree into cosine phi plus Vi cos phi, that is equal to minus Vi cosine phi, as cos 120 degree is equal to minus half, and for yellow phase as it is was Vi cos pi, that is minus Vi cos pi plus Vi cos pi, which is equal to 0. That is, sum of the power comes as 0 for phase sequence change in the voltage input in between red and blue. Although it is actual power is 3 into Vi cos pi.